Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. Today we will discuss about what is fossil and types of fossil found in the nature. First of all, what is fossil? Fossils are the remains of plant and animals which lived in the past. In many cases, these dead bodies of plants and animals are preserved in rocks in one form or other. These are called fossils. There are different types of fossils. First one is dead and preserved body. It is the actual dead and preserved body or parts of the bodies of plant and animals with original tissues intact and enclosed either in ice or amber or else mummified in various ways form this class of fossils. Second one is compression. Such fossils are formed when whole plant part or part of plants get buried under sediment of different type. As a result, the weight of these sediments, by the weight of these sediments, the plant part becomes flattened, resulting in the formation of carbonaceous film, revealing the outline or external features of the plant part. Then the impression or imprint. They are formed when the sediment around the compressed plant or plant part become hardened, and when split open the region of fossil, they very clearly reveal the outline of the plant or its part. Then petrification. They are considered to be the best type of fossil available to paleobotanists because they reveal the internal structure of the part of the plant that is petrified. The process of petrification consists of in the molecule by molecule replacement of the plant part by mineral in solution that ultimately harden. So it is the best type of fossil for the study of paleobotany, and it reveals the internal structure because molecule by molecule replacement occur here. Then incrustation fossils. Such fossils are neither compression nor petrification. These fossils are usually found in hot spring whose water contain abundant mineral matter. The fallen twigs, leaves, spores of the plants and the algae and bacteria like microbes that live in such hot spring become coated with the carbonates and encapsulated. These carbonates become precipitated on cooling. Such precipitates on examination reveal the encapsulated organisms in an unaltered stage. So it is the incrustation fossil. Then calcification. This process is usually is used by some algae. They secrete a heavy coat of calcium carbonate around them. This coat preserves them for millions of years, and these calcified algae can be studied for their details that are well preserved. It is now believed that the coral reefs found in the oceans are built more by secretion of calcium carbonate by marine algae rather than by the corals. Then the diatomaceous earth. The deposits of diatomaceous earth are found in many parts of the world. So, these algae were encapsulated by beautifully sculptured frustules or cells made by silica, which are secreted by these algae. After the death of these diatoms, their siliceous cells sank to the bottom of the sea. The mass of these cells went on accumulating at the bottom of the sea for millions of years and formed the diatomaceous earth. Microscopic examination of this earth reveals the presence of various ornamented cells of diatoms. They reveal their external features or the shape of the cells of these diatoms. Then fossil fishes or coprolites. Fossil fishes belonging to Upper Eocene from the Bridger Formation of Wyoming have yielded a large number of bacteria belonging to Escherichia and some algae, and large number of zygospore and conjugating cells of the desmids have been found in the preserved animal feces. It is believed that some animals drank water from the pools containing these organisms. This organism passed undigested these foods undigested through intestine along the excreta. The excreta or the feces, when exposed for long hour of sunlight or heat, got hardened, and the organism entrapped in it got fixed. Later, the feces were covered by volcanic ash or other sediment which released silica and resulted in silicification of unicellular organism like bacteria and desmids enclosed within that feces. So, it can also act as a fossil or form of fossil. Then siliceous colloids. What is siliceous colloids? Siliceous colloid, these are formed by the dissolution of siliceous cell of diatoms, and they are found in the bottom of the ocean. Some organisms get embedded in the siliceous colloid and are preserved. In some cases, even the flagella of some unicellular flagellates have been nicely preserved. So, it is a type of fossil. Then the actual remains. Such plant fossils are of comparatively young age and do not decompose completely due to low temperature or vacuum. All minerals that are resistant to natural decomposition are preserved like this. For example, cuticle, cutin, sporopollenin. Sporopollenin are not cannot be degraded easily in the environment because it is very hard material. Then the chemical remains. Chemical material like amino acids, hydrocarbons may be obtained in a natural state or in modified form from the rocks in which organic matter of petrified plant part or organ have been incorporated. So it is a type of fossil where chemical remains were preserved. Then products of activity of organism. Some products excreted by living organisms are obtained from the excavations. For example, secreted lime deposits of algae. Such products have been found on pottery and other manufactured goods discovered during the excavations. So, these are all about the different types of fossils found in the environment. I hope you really enjoyed this session. So, stay tuned to get some videos like this, which will be very, very helpful to you. Thank you.